In this video, we'll use Snaptrude's research tools in program mode to query real design data directly from the model. Here I have a Revit model imported into Snaptrude with all the necessary details. In program mode, I've already imported a set of standards across multiple data points: room areas, aspect ratios, corridor rules, service requirements, and net to gross efficiency targets. All of this becomes context for evaluating the design. The Program Data tab contains the list of spaces, rooms, and areas. So the first query I'm running is to check whether each room is within the right area range for its function. Snaptrude pulls data from my space standards and enriches it with information from global standards, then generates a table showing how each space performs against best practices. It highlights whether a room falls within, below, or above the expected range. It also gives key observations and recommendations on how the design can be improved, like increasing the seat counts and occupancy drivers in the auditorium. Next, I'm asking it to calculate the net to gross efficiency and benchmark it the same way. It shows the current percentage, compares it against my target range, and flags that it's below the expected standard. I can also compare this against both my custom standards and global norms. The tool explains why the percentage is off. In this case, horizontal circulation might be on the higher side, while vertical circulation and services look fine. And from here I can query anything else I need. For example, calculating occupancy load per room using IBC standards. Snaptrude shows the load factors it used and how it arrived at the occupant totals. If I want to check parking requirements, it explains how parking is calculated from area and from occupancy, gives both results, and lets me pick what fits local regulations. The same approach works for staircase and exit requirements, plumbing fixture counts, door widths based on ADA, and room dimension checks. Everything is computed directly from the model with references included. I can even review corridor performance by checking lengths and widths against fire norms and ADA. Snaptrude identifies which corridors are working, which ones may be too long or too narrow, and whether they function as connectors or dead ends. It summarizes key takeaways and gives next steps to strengthen the design. This workflow turns your model into a fully informed, data-driven program review, helping you validate design decisions earlier, catch issues sooner, and align your project with both internal standards and global best practices.